This episode of Adventure Tech 2.0 is brought to you by Jackery. Welcome to Adventure Tech, where I do the research so you don't have to. This is part 2 in testing out Jackery's brand new solar generator 1000 V2. We're going to be testing it out in a work environment in this video. In our last video, we unboxed the 1000 V2 as well as the Solar Saga 200 portable solar panel, which includes a really nice core that actually has USB-C and USB-A. You can charge your phone and different devices without even using the portable power station. I tested out the solar and AC charging, took this camping with me, cooked a meal, and surprisingly this was able to cook the meal while making a cup of coffee at the same time. But it's back to work now. We're going to be testing out the solar generator at work and see what it can offer. First thing I'm going to do is wear eye protection and ear protection to be safe because I got some loud saws to test out. I'm going to test out circular saw first. This does put out pretty good high rating on it. A lot of my other 1 kilowatt solar generators cannot handle this, but the Jackery Solar Generator 1000 V2 handled it no problem. Technically, you can get away with doing most carpentry work without using any power, but to have power on a work site will save you so much time and energy. Especially if you're on a remote work site where power is just not available and you absolutely have to have it. Something like this is a lifesaver and absolutely necessary to get the job done. I'm not going to get into too many fine details on all the specs on it in this video because we did go over most of that in the last video. So don't forget to go back to that video if you want to learn more about this portable power station. This is more testing out to see if it can handle these different tools. Absolutely every tool that I need to use can be charged by this portable power station. All of my battery pack chargers are able to run on this. Getting the Sawzall out, this was one that I thought might not be able to cut it because, again, this is one that has higher continuous output. But the Jackery Solar Generator 1000 V2 has no problems at all with my Sawzall. Between a Sawzall and a circular saw, you can get a lot of work done. This is an older Sawzall too, I have to admit, so it probably uses a little bit more energy than the newer ones. And it's so essential to keep all your batteries charged, especially when you're out on the road because you never know what you're going to need to do. Plus, having power on site is going to help you get your RV set up real quick. In almost every situation, having power tools is going to make the job go a lot faster and a lot easier for you. And in some cases, you can get jobs done by yourself that you could never do with only one person without the power tool. So getting something like the Jackery 1000 V2 for a work site or for your job is actually a pretty good choice. And another really cool new feature with this Jackery 1000 V2 is that it's got the UPS function built right in. Most portable power stations on the market so far actually you're not supposed to charge and discharge. So if you're plugged into the wall or something like that, you should not be using the portable power station while it's charging. This is different. This has bypass built right in so that when you're running this while it's plugged in, you're going to be running directly off of your power from your home. In the event of an outage, it will switch over to the battery power in the Jackery within 20 milliseconds so fast you won't even notice. This will help keep your servers running, your video games in action, making sure Zoom calls aren't interrupted. So this definitely passed the test when we were camping and it definitely passed the test while we're working. The prices for this type of technology just keep going down. Use the links in the comments or the description to get over this page, get a good deal, and help support my channel at the same time, which I always appreciate. You can subscribe to my channel for free by clicking the subscribe button. Make sure to click that bell icon. You can be one of the first people to hear about these new products.